Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very warm welcome to all of you in your English language class. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to continue with the topic of direct and indirect speech. This is part 5. We will begin with Islamic motivation. Hazrat Ibn Abbas Raziyallahu anhu was once on journey. On his way, he got the news of the death of his son. He got down from his camel and offered 2 rakat of salat, praying in tashahhud for a long time. He then recited Inna lillahi wa inna alayhi rajiun and said, I have done what Allah has ordered us to do in His holy book, that is, seek Allah's help with patience and salat. These are our learning outcomes. By the end of this topic, inshallah, all the students will be able to understand direct and indirect speech, identify direct and indirect speech, and convert direct speech into indirect and vice versa. Here we will discuss what are optative sentences. The sentences which express wish or desire or pray, etc., are called optative sentences. These sentences generally begin with may and end with a mark of exclamation. But sometimes we don't find the use of may in a sentence, but its hidden meaning is always there. For example, may you live long, may God bless you, etc. Now we are going to discuss some rules of changing of narration with optative sentences. So let's start. Rule number 1. We change reporting verbs like say, says, said into wish, wishes, wished, or pray, praise, prayed, etc. as per the meaning in the reported speech. Rule number 2. We replace inverted commas by that. Rule number 3. In direct speech, the structure is may plus subject, then rest of the sentence. Whereas in indirect speech, it is subject plus might, then the rest of the sentence. Rule number 4. We replace mark of exclamation by full stop. Rule number 5. In sentences carrying good morning, good evening, verb said to is changed into wished. Rule number 6. Goodbye is converted into bade goodbye. This is exercise number 6. You are required to change the given sentences into indirect speech. Remember, all the sentences which you can see are related to optative case. This is your homework for today. You are required to complete exercise number 6, which has already been discussed in this video lecture in your notebook. Furthermore, you need to prepare yourself for the test of tenses, which is scheduled to take place on Friday, May 28, 2021. I hope you'll find today's lecture both informative as well as interesting. Inshallah, in the next class, we'll continue with the topic of narrations. Until then, it is Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.